Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. In this one, we're in the gym! We made it! You can hear the lovely echo of our beautiful spin studio here. Just getting ready to be used. May 17th, I'll see you in their spin class. But until then, today, I've got a leg workout for you. This is just a leg workout to bring you back into the gym. So it's not gonna be crazy intense. It's not gonna be crazy difficult, but it's gonna be enough to wake those legs up, remember what they're doing, and stay safe at the same time, okay? So do stick around to the end of the video, make sure you get everything out of this one. While you're warming up, because you are gonna need to warm up like me, sitting on your spin bike, do hit the subscribe button, okay? That way you won't miss out on any videos like this one. If you enjoy it, give us a like. If there's any other workouts you want to see to introduce you back into the gym, just let me know. Comment down below, okay? Right, let's get into today's workout. So guys, do remember to get yourself doing a 10-minute warm-up before you start this one. Get the heart rate up. I'm using the spin bike, it's great, warms the legs up. Also, make sure you do some dynamic stretching. That's gonna help when we're trying to get as low as possible on our first exercise, which is gonna be the squat. Okay, that is warm-up done. Just remember, when you guys have warmed up, do make sure you get your spray. Clean that COVID away. It's got a certain jing to it. Make sure you clean all your kit down so we don't have to shut the gyms again, okay? Once you've done that, right, we're gonna start the day with some squatting. Big compound movement. We're gonna use all of our legs to start with. Basically, we're gonna start with the hard stuff, work our way down, finish with the easier stuff, okay? So, let's get into it. So carrying on from the warm-up, we're going to do 3 warm-up sets of your squats, okay? This is just slowly increasing the weight until you get to your working weight, which today for me is going to be 80 kilos, a little bit lighter than I normally do, but first session, post-lockdown, just staying safe, being sensible, go slightly lighter than you normally would. While you're doing this, as you can see, you can do some reps fast, you can do some reps slow, you can add a pause in at the bottom. It's really just to get the legs moving, get them used to the weight. While you're doing these warm-up sets, this is the perfect time to work on the technique of the squat, all right? The weight is slightly lighter. You don't have to worry about, is it gonna move back up? You know it is, and you can take your time to concentrate on your technique. So remember, you've got your feet just outside your shoulder width, toes pointed ever so slightly out. Your knees are not caving in as you stand up, which is going to activate your glutes a lot more. You're keeping your hips low as you stand up and rising up with your chest to stop you from using your back. So concentrate on that and work on your technique while you're warming up. So guys, for the actual working sets, we're going to be doing 5 sets. As I say, I'm doing this at 80 kilos. You guys can use whatever weight you want, but we're doing it for 10 reps, okay? So we're going to be doing 50 reps in total. Now, for the rest time, you want to make sure you're fairly accurate, get your timer out, and you're going to try and do 2 minutes, okay? So it's not quite as long as 3 minutes as if you're doing 5x5 kind of strength power training. We're just dropping that rest time down a little bit. So as you can see, this was my last set here. I was getting a little bit fatigued. My legs were already tired going into this last set, but keep the timing accurate to get that extra intensity on the legs. So for exercise number 2, we're going to be doing a dumbbell split squat here. I'm using 18 kilos. Again, you can use whatever weight you like, whatever's going to suit your strength and ability. So with your split squat, we're going to be doing 8 reps. That's 8 on each leg, not in total. So you can do 8 on one side, swap, do 8 on the other. And we're going to do that for 3 sets. For those of you that haven't done a split squat before, to talk you through it, it's fairly simple. You just need a bench or something to put your foot up on. You could use a box as well. And you put your back foot up on there, and you're going to keep your front foot pretty much underneath your body. You don't want it too far out in front of you like a forward lunge. You want that foot underneath your body. As you go down, you're trying to keep your chest up. And don't worry about focusing on getting the dumbbells as close to the floor as you can. Just concentrate on getting that back knee down as low as you can, so you don't have to let the dumbbells touch the floor. Okay, whatever you do, please don't do this and start tipping forwards as you go down. So don't be tipping forwards, not using your legs. That's all pure back work there. Okay, please do not do this. Keep your chest up as you do this exercise. So moving on, we are going to go to a single leg press. This one we're going to do 42 kilos, 8 reps on each leg, 3 sets in total with your 1 minute rest. It's really important on this one, remember, do not lock your knee out, okay? So as you extend that leg out, keep a slight bend in it. It's going to prevent an injury. Control the tempo. That's going to keep your whole leg under tension the whole time. Don't let the weight stack just drop to the floor. Let it get as close as you can to the stack on the floor, and then just before it touches it, press straight back up and away. That's how you're going to get the most out of this exercise. Next is one of the most underused exercises on a leg day. It's the back extension. We're going to be using a 16 kg kettlebell, 12 reps in total with 3 sets with your 1 minute rest still. Okay, with this one, it is fantastic for the hamstrings. It does obviously also affect your lower back, so if you do have any back problems, maybe substitute this one for something like a leg curl to get the hamstrings instead. With this, you do need to stop when your body is straight. So on the way up, you want to stop so when your shoulders are in line with your feet. Please do not hyperextend your back. That's how you're going to get an accident caused or an injury caused with your back. And finally, we're going to finish with a bodyweight exercise. We're going to finish with box jumps. 12 reps of these, 4 sets in total with that 1 minute rest again, okay? This is going to help build up that power in the bottom of a squat. So when we do this, we're going to start in a squat, then we're going to explode up as far and as high up to the ceiling as we can, landing on the box. When you jump back off, you're then going to land back into a squat and then have to use that explosive power again for your next rep. And that's it, guys. Do remember just do a short little cool down at the end. I'm just hopping back on the spin bike here just to shake the legs out and try and reduce the DOMs for the next day. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button, okay? If you want to see other workouts, comment down below what type of workout you want to see. Make sure you don't miss a video like this one by hitting that subscribe button, okay? Till the next time, guys. See you then. Take care.